Hi friends, today we are going to see about the sketches. In sketches we have two options, one is sketch and one is positioned sketch. We'll see what is the difference between both. So first I'm going to insert one axis system. For this axis system I'm creating one point. I'm creating default one point. This axis system is linked with this point. So I am going to create the sketch with this normal sketch option. So when I am clicking sketch option, I don't have any other option. By default, I need to click the surface, the plane. So here I can able to draw my profile. Once it is done, I'm just giving constraint. See, we are not able to give the constraint. This sketch is not fully constrained. So it is showing ISO constraint. So mostly in general we are not going to use this sketch profile. When this sketch profile will be helpful is right whenever you are creating some small blocks on your future without any requirement. If you are creating in that scenario, you can use this sketch profile. My advice is like whenever you are going to create a sketch, if you go with this positioned sketch, it will be helpful for you. Whenever if you move the part or your future, the same way this one also will get moved. So positioned sketch, I'm selecting the ZY plane. Before that I'm hiding this one. So once I selected this surface, origin point, is it asking for origin point? Part origin, if I give part origin, it will take default origin. Projection point, so wherever you have created the point, from that one it will take the X, origin, horizontal and vertical. Then intersection, two lines. If I have two lines previously, in that scenario I can click these two lines and from that one it will take the origin point. Curve intersection, if I have curved profile curve, so I will give that curve intersection, in that one it will take. So this orientation is nothing but this one. If I give, so to define the orientation, the computation. So orientation is nothing but this VY orientation. So this one also through point we need to select the reference. So in this case we are giving the same point, so that is the reason it is not taking. So here we have parallel to line, intersection plane, normal to surface. In this one mostly we will use this implicit. Let me show one by one. So implicit is nothing but by default, without selecting anything, it will come. So next sketch, first I will hide this one. So part origin, by default it will come. So this is our part origin. Then another sketch mode. So projected point and then intersection of two lines. So I have one line and another line. So by intersecting these two lines, my origin point was taken. I'm creating one arc. I'm going to select this one and here I am giving curve intersection. So for this one we need to have the different sketch plane. So this curve intersecting point, it is taking as the sketch plane. Next one, middle point. So midpoint of the curve it is taking and it is creating the origin from that one. Origin point, we are going to see how the middle point it is taking. So middle point of this sketch, it is taken. So this is how that origin is taking middle point of this curve. Next we are going to see the barycenter. Barycenter is nothing but if we have any surface, that the vertex origin point needs to take the center of the surface. So first I will create one surface. The surface I have the surface workbench or extrude. So in that scenario I am going to create a sketch in ZY plane, and here I am giving the barycenter. Input for the barycenter is like surface or any solid. So I am clicking this surface, it is taking center of this surface. So my sketch origin point is created here. So these are the types, these are all the types of sketch origin points we can use. In general, we will mostly use the projector point so that it will be easy to